Hello guys, welcome to another episode of FoodGalli. Today we are going to try some authentic Indian cuisine. So we have come over to the place called Spices of India Kitchen. Let's go inside and try their food. Mr. Joby.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. You?
I'm good. So what's the special today?
We have the special fish, the golden pompano, the big fish.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and we have the Kappa with fish curry.
Fish curry?
That fish curry, yeah.
Okay. And
Big fish, yeah.
do you have Parotta and beef?
We have Parotta beef also.
Oh, I love it.
Beef roast is a very good one.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So
Kerala style.
we want all of those.
Yeah,
All right.
go inside again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, I've ordered some dishes. I'm waiting for them to come in. So before they come, let me give you a small brief idea about what kind of cuisine it is. Like I said, it's an traditional Indian cuisine. Basically, it's a South Indian cuisine from Kerala. It's a Kerala cuisine. Let's see how good the food is. I can't wait to eat it. All right, we have our first order come in. Wow. Here we go. This is called Parotta and this is beef. So like I said, we have our first dish coming. We have the Parotta and the beef fry. Parotta basically is it's a flatbread, Indian flatbread made of flour, ghee and egg. And you can see the beef fry with the spices like on it. You have the coconut, you can see the pepper, you can see the onion. And I've got Sulaimani with me. It's a black tea. Now let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to eat traditional way. The traditional way is using your hands, focusing on your fingertips. You can feel the flavor inside your mouth, man. The coconut. Let me add, this is emotionally attached food for people from Kerala. This evokes a lot of emotions. It's a soul food of Kerala. Parotta and beef fry. The beef is so tender. A lot of flavor inside. There's chili too, there's spice in it. I did order medium spice for all my food. So the next dish we have is something they call as Kappa. We have fish curry here. It's kingfish. So rich and colorful. You can see a lot of spice. You can see the curry. Even without tasting it, it looks flavorful, man. So let's go ahead and taste. So I'm going to taste the tapioca first by itself. Look at this, soft. Wow. Adipoli. By the way, Adipoli means excellent. It's so tender, man. Look at this. Now I'm going to dip tapioca with the fish curry and see. So red and colorful, look at this. I'm gonna have a chewy part of it. A little bit of fish. So tasteful. It's properly done. Like I ordered, medium spice, not too spicy. I like my food medium spice. Kingfish. The chef has decorated well, adding a little more to the color with the tomato and the cucumbers. Piece of advice: if you guys come here to eat, make sure you guys are empty stomach. Like good quantity of food, stomach filling. My stomach is almost full, and I still have a fish to go by. Oh, awesome, 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 awesome. So I'm going to keep this aside because I still have the fish to come by, and I heard the fish is kind of a hit dish here. So I don't want to get over full. I'm almost full. Let me start with the fish, and let's see if I could finish the rest of them because I don't want to miss out on the food, fish. So here we have the fish fry. What is this fish fry actually? The name of the fish? Golden pompano. Wow. The whole fish. See that? So we have a final dish, the much awaited fish coming. So this is golden pompano, fried golden pompano, the full fish, I'm going to squeeze the lemon around. Nice. I can't wait to taste this. So I'm going straight to the center, the fleshy part. Look at this, fresh. Wow. The masala with the fish has blended it properly. Jesus Christ, this tastes good. This fish alone is going to be a meal. of his own. The flesh is so fleshy. Spices are blended properly, fried good. So guys, you can see this. I'm almost done with the fish. I am totally full. I've left the head and the tail. That's only two things which is left. I've completely devoured the body. Damn, this was one hell of a meal. Oof. Hey Joby.
How is the food?
Excellent, excellent.
How's
Stomach
the fish
filling.
fry?
Yeah, it was superb. Towards the end, it was hard for me to complete, but it was stomach filling.
Yeah, we have a specialty for the fish fry and the beef rolls.
It was fresh and it gave me a feel of back home,
Good,
nostalgia.
We make in our own spices. That's why it's more,
Yeah.
it's more flavor
Yeah.
and every
So,
coconut oil and
for our viewers, this is Mr. Joby. He's the owner and one of the main chefs of Spices of India Kitchen. And this is why we get that homely feel for the food we eat. And he will give you some few words about the place.
Yeah, our place specialty for the Kerala food like beef roast, especially the beef and the chicken. Chicken, we have the chicken 65 is a very good one also, and a Kappa with the beef. It's good from the Kerala style, and we have the fish biryani. We are making the own specialty the fish biryani, and chicken biryani, goat biryani, what kind of stuff we have. Anyone want to taste it? Come and look at that. How is the food? Thank you.
So guys, till the next episode, this is Ashish signing off from FoodGalli. Remember, when it comes to food, there's no limits, no borders. Bye-bye.